One of the happiest day for Mr. Silvera, who murdered his wife, was a few days ago when the prosecution and the Chief Justice from the Supreme Court accepted the guilty plea of manslaughter. For those of you who don't know, manslaughter means unintentional killing. Unintentional killing. We never intend to really kill the person, but the person died. So 3 gunshots to the vagina or to the lower area of your wife's body. One of the shot protruded to the right thigh. One to the lower abdomen, left side of her lower abdomen, and one to the right side of the abdomen. We don't know what you were doing, but for me, that's premeditated. But the word premeditated was not used, neither by the prosecution, his attorney, or the Chief Justice. So Mr. Silvera decided to use his own word. He said he was provoked. So any Jamaican can actually be provoked and apparently kill their spouse and and then decide their fate. They choose whether it's going to be murder or manslaughter. Yeah, I mean, I guess you can do that, right? No, you can't. No, you can't. We get up and we want death penalty. This is what the country said them want. Them want death penalty for people like Tesha Miller and them accused and other men who say them a bad man and gunman and done. We want them to get life imprisonment. Yeah, because them take the life of people. We want them for dead. But the whole country refused to come out for them dirty thinking politicians here who can just rob and rape the country and murder their spouses and beat the life out of them spouse, like George Wright from the Labour Right Party, the PMP man, Silvera, him kill Femon and then decides a manslaughter charge me want, which is a far lesser sentence. And you know something, the prosecution find reasons to justify this. But on the contrary, the boy I'm Noel Maitland, I mean, I like not go on with that case because me know what me know about that case there. Right? You not find the girl body, but you not charge him for murder and the whole country celebrate. Yes! Yes! And rightly so. You know? But you still not find a body yet, you know? Because the evidence and stuff for him is circumstantial. You not find nobody, but you not find him guilty for murder. And him get life. But Silvera, a body was found, 3 bullets at the private area and wife. Private area and wife lied about where he was. Come back and retile. You retile the whole flipping house and I'll put in the room and you paint over everywhere. Concealment of evidence. True. So you even tamper with the crime scene. And that you finally decided what your fate should be. And the country supports that. The justice system is one of the worst in Jamaica. I've been saying it long time. That these people that want to pay homage to and want to have under the belt as big upstanding officials who drive past in a them Porsche and Prado and this and that. I'm gonna say this to you again. They are the worst set of people in this country, majority of them. Private sector organization, all of them. Yeah, man, the big drunkard them in the country. They are evil. When ordinary Jamaicans are being locked up and in a jail for much years. Yeah? You so now stress out Tesha Miller and the other one. And let me tell you something, you know. When I own the real criminal them in the country, right now, Dodos and Tesha Miller and the whole of them the man they want to call bad man. And them the man shouldn't run the country. Them shouldn't run the country. Because they make sure say peace reign within their communities. Them used to make sure say peace reign in their community and then deal with the things them when the things them come out of hand. Them deal with it. We need some more people who can be some bigger than another country. Forget uno drunk in the house where uno constantly thief the country money. Uno make the law work for uno. Uno make the law work for uno. Look at the kind of people that's gonna discover drugs and cocaine from, Look for the kind of people them. High-ranking police, inspector, khaki suit police. How much kilo of cocaine? When they have another one, politician brother, big politician brother, want to find out how much kilo of cocaine again. And you know what his lawyer had said? You know what him lawyer did say? Him sick, so him asked for him to be put on house arrest. I don't know what happened to it, but you can go and look up the story. House arrest for a man who then catch at airport. Politician brother. You don't think me forget? Hold on, don't think me did forget. Just like how the DPP, and I'm not gonna stop saying it, the DPP with the boy Flight Green. See Flight Green come back up there again. You see all Flight Green? Yeah, him can come and now 4 years later him in talk say, yo, me did witness a crime, and then come now under pressure and him say, yo, I go. Me never see nothing. Me never did see nothing. And we sit down and we accept these common criminals to be paid taxpayers' money, 1.4 million per MP every single month, to not give us proper roads, thief the country money, no health system, and we complain, misappropriation of funds, misappropriation. We don't know where these proper procedures were not followed, and the frigging country quiet. And me, Marvin Edgar run up and down with much video and a share. Oh, Marvin scam Gloria our money. Marvin scam Gloria her money. Gloria will have to answer to a lot of charges in court. You can play whatever voice tone, she can send in whatever. It is definitely a lawsuit. It's not just Gloria. Every single one of uno will try to tarnish Marvin Edgar name and character. Uno have to go down. I mean, I ask Christ, you think uno can get this a boy down? Me? Uno, I mean, a God pitney. This drunk crow. Yeah, and for the record, Gloria will get back her money, but not as how she wants it. And she will get it. Yeah, and it's going to go through the court, the right process. So all of the drunkers that are running with it, keep doing it. Anyone that want to ever send it back to my phone, I am going to tell them, do not send me one of those nasty filth. Because most of who say out that chat, they're hungry like a dog shit. And then take up minor cases, and the major cases of their prime minister and their MPs who are for illicit enrichment and stealing the country's money and not doing the proper procurement procedures and driving the auditor general crazy, and the bad roads and the wicked, the nasty, dirty, filthy hospitals with nurses stepping over dead bodies and pretty much give aid to patients on the freaking floor. I know yesterday, last year, 5 years ago, we've been talking about this. Long time! The country has been rigged and robbed and raped by all the dirty, nasty, of so-called elite people what uno call. I'm a bastard. And the little drunkard them want to support this prime minister in this country. It is time for the protests of all protests. I've been telling you, I never wanted to go there at time. The date have to be in this month here. Black History Month, me now ask Christ, it a gonna happen. Yeah man, Bob Marley birthday month, we're gonna get up, we're gonna stand up for our rights. It a gonna happen. And me, Marvin Edgar lead it. So I can send on the bad man them now. Watch me. You think a joke I make? All who is with me, wanna comment in this box and share it. Time for the